Okay, so this is the assignment for my POC and debugging assignment. Um, what I wanted to try here was linking to a website to make a purchase. So some of the features that I've tried here is linking through a button, a circular button at that point, and also using the import linkage feature and the linking feature and adding the console log also, and then adding an alert. Um, so let me see. Here I can hit purchase books now, and it should take me to Amazon. And I'm able to type in the books that I want and then go from here to make a purchase. The reason why I wanted to try this POC was I want to add to my Black Girl Reads app for my final, to where if I search Black authors or Black movies or um, Black Black literature or other things that are interest of me, then I can also have the link there available to search and purchase those books or movies if they're available or whatnot. So that is that's the reason behind this POC. The console log. Let me see if I can pop out here. Um, okay, maybe I just have to close and pull up. Okay, here it is. So the console log, as you can see, I added console log for if there's an error. Um, if there's an error going to the external browser, that I want the console log to say, hey, it's unable to open this URL. And I also wanted to give me an alert that it can't be opened. But Amazon was able to be opened, and so I figured that would not show. So that was successful. That goes to this other console log, like has yes, the URL is successful, and also lets me know the activity of the user. The user clicked the purchase link, which all happened here, and so here are my console logs to show that I will get those particular messages. User clicked the purchase link. The URL is successful. Um, so that is working just fine. I wonder if I did a a bad link. Let's see. If I did a bad link, would it show my alerts? And that's what I want to try next. Hopefully, I does not queue out on me, and then I can, yeah. Okay, so let me go where my Amazon is. Let me just say, I don't know. Let me take out the N for Amazon. Maybe that will show me the alerts then, since hopefully that's not a real site. Okay, Safari cannot open this page because the network connection was lost. Let's see what kind of alerts I get. Um, I don't really know what this safe area means, but let me delete those alerts and go back here and let me try again. I want to get the redirect. I wanted it to error out on me, but instead it's just giving me that URL is successful. So it is still thinking that it's successful because Safari is saying that it's not, but it's still linking to that website. So I'm not really sure what it would take to test the alert out, to test the alert if it's incorrect, if the website is incorrect. But as you can see, I did try the linking. I know we linked websites before, but I don't think that we use this actual linking feature. So in my research, I wanted to use that and to do it differently as far as opening the URL. And so that was also part of my POC and debugging. So I'm going to go back and make sure I put the correct website on here. Looks like I did want to try negative testing, but I'm not really sure how to fail this to show the alert to see if that actually works or not. But as you can see, my consoles are popping up. And that's it. That's all I have.